Hello and welcome to Space Shark Teaches. I'm Sean from Space Shark Studios, and I'm here to teach you GD script in Godot 3.1. Let's get started.
Okay, I'm going to be teaching you in this lesson how to make a quit button, both in GD script and visual scripting. So as you can see, right now I have the GD script quit and the visual script. Both of them work to quit or close the game. Let's first look at the GD quit button. One thing to mention here, in order to put text on a button, you need to make sure and go down here in the inspector and do mouse, filter, ignore. Otherwise, when you click, you're going to click on the text and it's not going to click the button. So with that said, the way that you go about making a quit button is you make a button. Let's go ahead and make the button a bit bigger, move it down here. We are going to add some label text, like I said, so quit me. Go ahead and move that down, and then like I said, ignore. And then we're going to make a script called GD script GD quit button 2. So how we're going to make this is go into node, signals, and on button up, double click that, choose your button, and double click it. So now we have a signal that will call on button button up. Or I guess on button button up will listen for the signal button up. From here, we're going to call get tree, which gets the scene root tree. Quit. Save it. That's it. That is all you have to do. So let's put that up top, and we are going to make another one for visual script. So just like before, go ahead and make that big, move down here, add a rich text label, call that quit again, make that bigger, over to here, and then mouse, ignore. We're going to make a new visual script called VS quit button 2. And once again, we go to node, button up, double click our button, and it makes a function that will be called automatically. So now what we want to do is go into here and say we want an instance and this real quick. How do we do it? Yes, get tree. So, in case you didn't see, you drag this in, and then when you click on it, you go to function get tree. So that will get the tree scene because the type that we're using is scene tree. Double click on scene tree, drag these in, and then the function you want when you have scene tree clicked is quit. That is it. Save it. And now on our one down here. And we're done. That is all it takes. So it's just these. So remember, set this to get tree as the function. And then this is an instance of type scene tree, and you're going to call quit. For the script, you literally just call get tree quit, and that is it.
Thank you for watching Space Shark Teaches. If you'd like to see more, please subscribe to the channel and remember to click the bell to always stay up to date. Please also join us on our Discord, linked in the comments, and check out our other videos if you ever want to see what else we've been up to. Thanks again for watching, and we can't wait to see what you make.